If your anchor points are not showing in Illustrator, do this to get them back. So very quickly in Illustrator, if you're selecting an object or graphics and you can't see the edges or the anchor points, so if I go in with direct selection tool, you can see here none of the anchor points are showing. All you have to do is if you come to view, show edges, you've probably accidentally pressed Command or Control H, press show edges, and now the anchor points will come back. So there you go, very quick tip for you. Again, if this happens, don't freak out, just go to view, show or hide edges, and you should be able to get your outlines and your anchor points back. So I really hope you found that tutorial helpful. I hope it got you out of a jam. And remember, if you did find that helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, keep on designing, and I will see you for the next tutorial.